Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make these bougainvillea flowers with help of this stocking, green tape and this beads, and most important this golden wire. And tools we will need are this scissor, cutter and a plier. For stem we will need this green tape, and to tie these flowers we will need this thread. So let's start. First of all, take this wire and bend it in this way. Twist it properly. Cut this from here. Make similar 2 more petals of same size. First of all, make this kind of long petals. Afterward we will stretch these to make broad leaves. Now stretch this wire in this way. To make a bougainvillea leaf. Now take this petal frame and this nylon stocking and wrap it around this and stretch this in this way. And tight with this thread. As this stocking cloth is too thin, take one more layer of it.
Stretch it properly and then tie it. Now cut this excess cloth. Now to make this pollen, take a golden wire and this bead, insert it in this wire and fold it properly. Take this cloth, stretch it over this. Tie it here. Now cut this excess cloth. Take this pollen and this petal and make similar to more attachment to make a flower.
Now take all the 3 petals and attach these like this. And after arranging all the petals, tie this flower in this way. Now take this green tape and wrap it around this. Now take this bunch and arrange these flowers like this. You can see this is the smallest flower, then this is slightly bigger one, and this is bigger than this. So you can make a long big bunch of this with arranging this flower like this. So friends, if you like this video, please press the like button, comment on my video whether you like it or anything. And share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and also press the bell icon to get notification of my upcoming videos. Thank you.